morning, YouTubies.
Good morning, YouTubies. Welcome to Vikki and Anthony's video stuff.
Have McDonald's, and I don't know what we got. I guess I'll have to put down through there what it is. I have
Hash browns, breakfast sandwich of one type or another. I got hot cocoa, and she's got cold coffee.
Yeah.
And believe it or not, they still forget to put ketchup in. And I specifically asked the guy, is there 4 ketchups in there? And he said, yes.
Hey, he looked right at you, and then looked at the machine. Yeah. I'll see what kind of sandwiches we're having in a minute here. I had to go to the restroom, so I ran into the building real quick while he went to the restroom.
Real quick.
Okay, it was the ham, egg, and cheese McMuffin. And that was quick.
In the time that I'm waiting for her to get
What?
out of the van, 3 cars pass me. And then you get stuck behind idiots in the drive-thru. One lady is just sitting there letting cars go around. It's one of those dual ordering things at the same time. It's like, come on, people, how stupid are you?
A mocha coffee again.
Hash brown with ketchup. This is good. And it's a beautiful day today.
It's cloudy, like it's a little bit cloudy, like it's gonna maybe try to rain. 75 degrees, but it's beautiful out. And that breeze, oh, it's like, I want more.
Yeah, it is a very, very nice day.
Oh, it must be earbuds. I was gonna say, what's that hanging out of his ears? Guy walking down the walking path and had things stick out.
I don't know, what's that thing sticking out of your ear?
Well, he had it in both ears, which I was wondering. And I didn't see a cord, so I was wondering.
There's no cord on yours. It's called wireless headphones.
I'm an old fart, so I didn't know these things.
He's older. His full head of gray hair, going bald, unless he's married to a redhead. Then he could be younger.
I know.
You know, married to a redhead with like 4 daughters. Mm-hmm. You know, getting to be that age. He could be 33 years old, but just looks so old because of, you know. And look, your favorite stick. It's only got 2 birds on it today.
Less greasy today.
Yeah. Didn't remember to do the napkin thing like I said the other day.
I love McDonald's hash browns. That crispy on the outside and that soft on the inside. It's good.
I think I know why I like them. They're kind of like a steak fry.
How's that?
You know, they're big, thick french fries. Oh, look, she got plenty of waters.
Yeah, I've seen that.
It's kind of cool.
She must be planning on walking a lot. Got 2 waters on the back and 1 in her hand.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, train of thought. Yeah, we like people watch too when we're out here. You know, different people walking, getting their exercise. If I walked and got my exercise, I'd be pushing it just to walk around the van. Not around the whole thing, just walk around the van.
Yeah. I tried walking last night at 3:30 in the morning. When I got out to the road and I got scared. I turned into a scaredy cat. There's a big old clump of oak leaves that were laying in the road. And then shadows, I thought it was a critter.
Yep.
Like,
Just like that diaper kitten.
hush you.
What? Well, on a good side, I actually had a great dream last night. I was talking to my, uncle and brother that have already died and stuff, and a couple of different relatives. And it's so cool when you, talk to them and say different things. And then me and my brother went for a walk down the hill, and it wasn't black and white, but there was they're great gray houses, and they look so cool, but there was so much detail. And I'm thinking, is this real? I think I'm awake. Not sure. I'm pretty sure I'm awake. I got full control of my dream. Nothing that, different. No flying, no anything like that. And then all of a sudden I'm running down the road. I appear in somebody's house. I could see the steam coming off their food, so I know somebody's home. And I'm like, I better sneak back out of here. I don't even know how I got in here. So I start working my way to the front of the house. I hear somebody, so I run out the back door, and it instantly turned into a cartoon. Colorful Disney creatures. I don't know if it was Disney or whatever. But they're cartoon characters. 3D, bright pastel colors and stuff. It was weird.
That was weird.
But it was cool.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
That would be a cool dream.
Well, it's cool when you get to talk to relatives that passed and, you wanted to tell them things.
I know. I think the most recent dream I've had with dead relatives in it was my grandma. I don't even remember the dream right now, but I got to talk to her. Aw, I miss her.
Seagulls.
Huh. Oh, wow. 3 of them.
Yep, probably more.
There was another one up on the light pole.
2 of them. So 5 in total.
Oh, I didn't see the one. The way he was sitting up on the pole, he was positioned in such a way that from my angle I didn't see him.
Now McDonald's mystery meat sandwich. Today's special is
the ham and egg and cheese
McMuffin.
muffin.
Actually, what I like to get is the McMuffins most of the time.
Yeah. Better view.
So the rest of you, how do you like McDonald's? Other than keep forgetting ketchup, when you specifically asked for it, and the guy looks right at you and says, "Yeah, there's ketchup in there."
And my first thought was liar. As you can tell, he was not. Tell that was not the truth.
Yeah, I didn't get down to the end of the thing. Next time, I will stop, or I won't go forward, and I will look in the bag and make sure it's right.
Yeah.
And if they say, you need to move forward, and say,
Need to give
you
me
need
my
to stop
food.
messing up on the order so I don't have to check.
It's weird how they do the egg different on these.
Yeah, each one has a different type of egg.
That's strange.
Dang, it's a beautiful day.
Yeah, it is.
Too bad we're night owls. I'm going to go home and pass out.
Right? That's part of my McMuffin.
It's in your mind, huh?
Ever since I met you.
Yeah, I do know that I am that awesome that I make you lose your mind over me. What? I love you too.
I love you too, but you just... I just realized there's honeysuckle right there. I love honeysuckle. Didn't smell it this time. Maybe it's a different kind. Looks like honeysuckle. Eating you.
It's funny, they're slowing down to the speed thing but that's not till they get around.
Yeah. I'm watching a motorboat. They're speeding along and all of a sudden they just slowed way down.
I would love to go boating all the time and stuff.
Tons of stuff I would love to do.
Really sucks being in poor physical health. But we're getting by.
Well, hopefully we're in the process of getting you better. This new doctor. Hopefully.
About 5 years of misdiagnosis.
Alright. Squawk, 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 squawk. The seagulls.
Yeah, just like a bunch of old women.
Hey.
What?
Those leghorns, oh, they sound so funny. Our brown leghorns, they have the strangest, they don't sound like a normal chicken. They have a different sound. They go instead of the normal.
See what I have to put up with? She is crazy making weird noises and stuff. Yes, I know.
I'm not crazy.
Yes, I know. You are.
Crazy about you?
Oh, that was hot.
Yep.
Well, I didn't put ice water in it this time. You had it full enough.
Do you need a little something up? Iced coffee or the water?
No. I need to put a little thicker piece of ham on it.
Yeah.
Taste the egg. Taste the cheese stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if it's actually cheese or not.
I definitely taste the egg.
I hope it's a real egg. Fake eggs from China.
Scary thought. I don't think it's fake egg though. I hope not.
Whoa, that's got a big motor on it for that little boat.
I was gonna say he's got a pretty boat. Yeah, those clouds rolling in or rolling out?
Coming in like this way. Coming from there and they're coming.
So yeah, I can't tell if it's going to storm or just going to sputter on through.
Yeah, I don't know. Depends on what's further back.
Yeah. Because those clouds over there look pretty dark.
Yeah, it might just, have the looks of something, which
Yeah.
helps get the temperature down. So.
Uh-huh. Or if it does rain, it might be just a little shower.
Yeah. Now, do the rest of you dream in color? Because a lot of people say that only people dream in black and white, but I was dreaming color.
Yeah, I dream in color.
You gonna?
Yeah, I never, until a friend mentioned that a lot of people dream in black and white. I never thought of it. I always have dreamed in color. It's like, what?
And then today I was on game. One person mentioned Florida really stinks right now because of the red tide and all these dead fish and dead things coming up. So the wife's like, what's red tide? So I went through and explained it to her. As soon as I got done explaining it to her, somebody in game's like, we use team speak. So what's red tide?
I never knew. I think I've heard of it before, but I never really knew what it was.
It's like, well, what causes it? It's like,
Feels bad for all those fish and dolphins and everything, though. Humans
Turtles.
too. Yeah. Humans too. They gotta smell the smell, but the animals. I couldn't imagine.
Yeah, they said they had like 80 tons of dead fish or something.
Oh
They had
my
to clean up off the
goodness.
beaches. Excuse me on that. That was a misspike.
Freudian slip.
I don't know.
Bleep bleep. 80 tons though?
Yeah,
Oh my goodness.
there's a lot of fishing that goes on in Florida.
But you guys, do you like the ham and egg and cheese? Yes, no?
Each thicker piece of ham. Other than that, I like it.
I like the egg the way it was yesterday. It almost look like it's a,
Omelet.
yeah, it's folded over and everything. That's how I like their eggs. But
That must be the wife bird yelling at the husband bird.
the seagulls are over there squawking.
That's why the husband bird's facing the other way. It's like, oh man, he just won't stop squawking. I don't know what I did today. I tried to bring home food. Maybe she wanted a French fry today. I don't know. And birds actually, some birds actually, when they're mating and stuff or trying to find a mate, they find pretty pebbles and give them to the woman. And and if you don't find a pretty enough pebble, the female bird says, eh.
Cute. I knew some did dances and stuff, but I didn't know they did the pebble thing.
Yeah. Well, like, women, you gotta have that pretty rock on their finger.
Whereas Eagle, my rooster, he just goes and takes what he wants.
Hey, you stop. Runs them down.
Yeah, he chases them around, the hens around the yard.
Oh, you got yourself a donut today?
Yeah.
Wasn't sure if you wanted one.
Yeah.
Did you get a pumpkin spice donut or what'd you get?
I got a vanilla cake donut
Okay.
with white frosting.
Oh, he's hollering his dog.
Oh,
See the other one?
yeah.
There it goes. Yeah, it's pumpkin spice time of year.
Donut.
Oh, see, donut.
Ah!
Did you want a bite?
Oh,
I can't put it on her face. She's got all that makeup and stuff on, and it tastes yucky. You ever lick somebody's face when they had makeup on? It's like,
should be looking my face to begin with.
or they put too much perfume on. You get a big old
Oh,
smooch
yeah.
going. It's like,
Hey, at least I don't wear a whole bunch. I've actually been at work before, back in the kitchen at Casey's General Store, and I could smell some people's perfume and cologne from way out in the store area to back in the kitchen. It's like,
but you want to know one of the things that Vikkis does life? Here.
oh,
Slice of good back scratching.
purr.
Back scratching, and when I wash her hair for her.
Thank you.
Love you.
Love you.
And then there's always the brain eater starving.
Hey! Let me eat my donut.
Last thing I need is a donut. But
Oh my god.
I guess it's because I used to want to be a cop.
donut.
And I know sometimes Vicky does shout outs. I'm saying a shout out to Mike the cop. You know, he's a cop, but he gives really good videos, and it reminds you that cops are human. And, you know, I give it a good thumbs up because he just, you know, relates the stories and stuff, and, you know, it gives it from a different point of view because there's so many bad videos about cop this, cop that, you know. You got to remember, there's a lot of good ones. Maybe a few bad ones, but there's a lot of good ones.
Yeah. Remind me later and I'll tag him for the video.
Well, that's his channel name is Mike the Cop,
Oh,
as far as I know.
cool. I thought it was dry. Speaking of cops, as many cops there are around this town, I'm kind of surprised sometimes we haven't got pulled over. Not that we have anything to
Be pulled over
get
for.
pulled over for, but still.
Yeah, when we finally got the tag taken care of on the van, Vicky put it in the paperwork, and the tags were still on the paperwork. Didn't put them on the van for almost 2 weeks.
I took them in the house. Forgot them. We have a whole bunch of cops here. That we have a police station, and we have what, the sheriff department.
Police station, sheriff's department, highway patrol.
Yeah, all here in town.
So cops competing on who they can bust.
This is more up my alley. I think the other one's before the cinnamon bun was too big.
Too big, too sweet, too much. Yeah, I don't have to worry about too much about getting pulled over. I'm old now, so I'm fat. Not always jolly. Can be jolly. Just depends. A little bit of a pervert, but you know, aren't most guys.
A little bit.
What? I know you're rubbing off on me, making me worse, huh? Her eyes rolling back in her head. I put her in the back of the head, get him unstuck.
That was good. That was the perfect size of donut for me.
I guess those are my pills. Take yours this time?
I took them before we left. Got my medications yesterday. My blood pressure medications.
Yeah, it's funny. She's like, I think I forgot my pills. Grabs them, looks at him. I forgot my pills. Puts them down. Doesn't take them. In the morning, she's like, I think I forgot to take my pills last night.
I got distracted, alright? Like a squirrel. Don't make fun of me.
Yeah, that meme. It's like, have I got my ducks in a row? No. She's got 500 squirrels chasing nuts.
Oh, did you see the post I posted on Facebook the other day? A mama mole, you know, this mole. She had like 5 or 6 baby moles fall in a single file, all like attached to each other, on top of each other like that, attached to her.
As far as I know, they're like super nearsighted.
Yeah, I thought it was a snake or something when I first seen the video. I had to look a little closer, like, wait, what? What was that? It was a mama mole and her babies.
They're cute, but destructive.
Yeah. Same with raccoons and possums, skunks.
Oh, raccoons are really cute.
What?
Skunks?
Yeah, they're destructive too.
Yeah, they stink. Don't piss them off or you know what happens.
What about raccoons?
They're cute.
Yeah.
They're destructive.
They are.
Possums. You have rats. Roommate a long time ago seen a possum out on the front porch, and she's like, "You have rats. Giant rats." She was from California, had no idea what a possum was. You know, a city person.
The look on her face and the way she said it, it was just hilarious. I didn't mean to laugh at her, but it was so funny how she said it. Like, that's not a rat, honey. It's a possum.
Yeah, because she's sitting there describing it, and it's like, yeah, those aren't rats, it's possum. Looks like a giant rat. And then she loves the smell of skunk.
Yeah, I like, oh.
It's finally cooled down enough I can drink it.
Well, that's good. Now it's time to go home.
Yeah, I know. Well, YouTube, it's been nice. It's been real.
Would you behave? Drink your hot cocoa and behave.
Yes, Mommy. Love you.
What make you think, Mommy? Love you. Alright. Alright, you done?
Almost. I have a question. How did this, the OK symbol, become a white terrorist symbol?
What?
Yeah, I was told it's a white terrorist or a white supremacy symbol or something. You know, all kinds of stupid.
I never even heard of it. I was like, where'd that come from?
No, it was on the internet.
No, that's what I mean. That.
So I'm saying okay, I'm not saying white supremacy or anything like that.
Yeah. Well, people come up with the strangest of things.
Yeah. I watched one video and the guy's like, that guy, he's a neo-Nazi. And so the other guy comes walking up and says, you think you're a neo-Nazi. You need to... It's like, I ain't a neo-Nazi. He was a military person who had radioactive poisoning from the radios he had to carry that made him go bald.
Oh, wow. That's the thing. A lot of people, they don't bother to get information.
Yeah, they run their mouth before they engage the brain.
Yeah.
That sounds like a redhead I know sometimes.
Hey!
Yes? Okay. One means yes. You signaled yes.
I was not signaling yes. And you know it.
You sure?
I'm
I thought
sure.
you were.
Alright, you done?
Yeah, pull my finger and
No!
my butt will make that same sound.
No, this is good. You're not going to pull your finger.
Why not?
No. Alright, so we're going to have a scoot. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. Are you done?
I don't know. You wouldn't pull my fingers coming out the other end. Here, kiss me. Tell me it smells bad.
No! No! Behave!
Yeah, that one medical problem that was causing me, boy, I had the stinkiest burps and farts you never didn't want to smell.
Yeah. So thankfully they got him on medication now to take care of that. So, anyway, so we'll catch you guys again later. Just pull my shirt.
Oh.
Touch my shirt. All right. Catch you later.
Been nice. Have a good
Guys,
day.
later.
Happy YouTube day or happy something day or I don't know.
Bye bye, guys.